Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how I create this kind of cosmetic brush, and we're gonna do some little bit animation. Okay, let's start it. Open up your blender, press X, delete the face, press Shift A, mesh, add a cylinder, tap to the edit mode, press GZ, move it up here. Let's press S, scale it down without the Z axis. Let's just make it simple. Put it here and create another one. Put loop cut here. Scale this up. And here, then scale this up just like this. Then we can delete this face, then Shift A, add spear, add a UV spear, put it here, S to scale it down on the tab mode, S to scale it down on the edit mode, Alt Z, delete the face down here, then go to the particle, click here, add a hair particle, just like this, hair length here, maybe 1.5, then go to the children here, simple display here, I'm gonna use 20, then at clumping here, I'm gonna reduce it probably somewhere like this. Then let's go click here, object mode, change it to particle edit, click this comb, then I'm gonna increase the radius here, and do something like this. Go to the right view, okay, maybe we can go to the top and adjust it a little bit. That's enough, I guess. Then back to the object mode, then shape over here, we need to adjust it something like this. I'm gonna scale it down a little bit, then over here tap to edit mode, select this edge, E, extrude, S to scale it down just like this, and let's bevel here, then add a subdivision modifier for this object, then bevel modifier, put the bevel up here, make it through segment, change the amount here 0.003, click this one and this one, Ctrl L, copy modifier, right click shade smooth. Guys, we are done with the modeling. Let's go to the shading. For this object, new material, let's increase the metallic, then let's make it kind of gold color, turn down the roughness, okay, and for this one something like black plastic. And this one, new material, Shift A, search for gradient texture, and add a mapping node here, put here, and texture coordinate, object to vector, vector to vector here. Then Shift A, search for color ramp, put it here, connect color to vector here. Then we can press Shift Control, click at our color ramp, so we can preview here. Y rotation here, change it 90 degree. We can try to increase the dark here, then increase the scale here. Okay, then at your color ramp here, connect color to base color and Shift Control, click at your principal BSDF. We have this result. Then you can change the color here. You can change it to any color you want. Next, back to layout, press Shift A, empty, add empty arrow S to scale it up like this. Then press A to select everything. Make sure your empty here is the active one. Press Ctrl P, object keep transform. Then press R, rotate 180, press GZ, put it up over here, and GX, put it here. We're gonna do some animation with dynamic hair. For this empty, press N here, X location, right click, insert single keyframe. Then go to the 60 frame, press GX, put it somewhere here, right click, insert single keyframe. End of keyframe here, change it to 60. At your timeline, press A to select everything, press T, change the interpolation by linear. Just like this. If we hit the spacebar, it will start the animation. Okay, go to the frame 1, then select your sphere here, this one. We're gonna enable the dynamic hair here, just like this, then hit the spacebar. Let's hit the spacebar. We will have this result. We're gonna do some little bit adjustment here. As you can see here, the pin goal, change it to 1. Hit the spacebar to let it bake. As you can see, we have so much different here. Let's try to reduce the quality for now. Let's make it 1 here. Then let's press Shift A, mesh, add a cube. Let's press S to scale it up. SX, scale it on the X-axis. Go to the physics property here and add a collision here. Hit the spacebar. Here's the result we got. Let's back to the frame 1 and do some adjustment. Let's go to the structure here. Vertex mesh here, change it to 0.001. Stiffness, make it 2. Then volume here. Air drag here. Just make it 0. Let's hit the spacebar to bake. It looks pretty much better, but I guess we don't need this pin goal here. Let's make it 0. Back to frame 1, hit the spacebar. Okay, it's pretty nice. Then I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.